Hello friends! Today we are visiting the beautiful Umikaji Terrace on Senakajima Island, Okinawa. This place stretches along the ocean and offers an incredibly scenic experience. The first thing you notice when you arrive is the open sky, the blue sea, and the gentle breeze. Umikaji Terrace is not just for shopping and cafes. You can also experience the rich history and culture of Okinawa here. This island is very close to Naha Airport. You can reach Umikaji Terrace directly from Okinawa Airport. From here, you can also watch planes landing and taking off up close. It's a unique romantic experience, with airplanes flying overhead and the beautiful ocean view combined. This place is perfect for couples. Watching the sunset here, the golden light over the ocean touches your heart. Colorful flowers, decorated cafes, and small gift shops make the atmosphere even more delightful. Talking about history, during the old Okinawa Kingdom era, this area had small villages and was a center for maritime trade. Today, Umikaji Terrace still shows glimpses of that historical charm. The main attractions here are cafe hopping, local sweets, and Okinawa-style ice cream. If you're visiting with friends or your loved one, taking photos is a must. Every corner here is Instagram-worthy. If you come to Okinawa, don't miss Umikaji Terrace. Beautiful views, romantic atmosphere, and its proximity to the airport all combine to make your trip unforgettable. The experience of planes landing and taking off, historical charm. See you in the next video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until then, bye-bye.